What is up, you guys? We are back with another video. Right now we're in my bud Max's car, and basically we're just going to be installing some carbon fiber pieces on his car. We're just going to see how they look and see if they're an overall good purchase. Alright, so what you see us doing right now is we're just wiping down the overall surface where we're going to be installing these carbon fiber pieces. What we're using right now is some alcohol sanitizing wipes, and basically what this does is it just cleans the surface that you're going to be bonding these carbon fiber pieces, because they are an overlay, meaning that they use a 3M like material to bond onto the pre-existing part. Right here is just a quick look at the carbon fiber pieces. They are 100% real carbon fiber. They're just backed by 3M, and they're basically just stuck onto the part. Right here is just some steering wheel covers, the airbag, just simple pieces, but they do make a big difference. Now, when installing these pieces, it's not that difficult at all. Basically, what you want to do is, these pieces are cut pretty good. So all you gotta do is just align it. Right here you see we have the steering wheel, and they're cut really good, so it's not that hard. All you gotta do is just make sure you align it properly. You can always redo this process just to make sure that you get the perfect fitment that you're looking for. But besides that, it's honestly not that hard, as you see right here. All you gotta do is just align it to the shape, and you just stick it on, and make sure that you applied some heat prior to it, just in case if the product was cold. But right here, here's just the final look of the whole steering wheel. Now, in my opinion, these are definitely some really good quality carbon fiber pieces. Right here, my bud Max did have some prior pieces which basically just completed his whole interior. You see we have the shift knob, some of the vents, definitely really good, and definitely changes the whole interior, and definitely made the whole interior look a lot more luxurious, in my opinion. If you guys are interested, there will be a 10% discount code if you guys are interested. They have things like for Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes. They pretty much have the whole list. Whatever car you have, they got it for you. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it. Just a nice quick short little video on my bud Max's 2011 Camaro RS. All we did is just install some nice carbon fiber pieces from a company called Carbon Fiber. If you guys are interested in getting something for your car, they have pieces for Corvettes, Camaros, Mustangs, pretty much everything. And if you guys are interested, there'll be a link down in the description down below, along with a 10% discount code. If you guys are interested, make sure you hit them up. Let them know that we sent you. And that's pretty much it from me. It is Drew, and I am out. Peace.